Hello, my name is Dr. Tane Duncan, and I'm the Chair of Philosophy and Religion and Director of Gender Studies at the University of Central Arkansas. This semester, in my course, Gender, Race, and Class Philosophical Issues, students grappled with the institutional structures that contribute to racism, sexism, and classism in our society. Each semester that I teach this course, I have students do some form of service learning, which means that they have to apply what they've learned in class to some community organization or outreach initiative that connects them to the real lived world. This semester, since we were in the midst of a pandemic and many things had to change, presented a unique opportunity for my students to connect with local organizations in a way that could be beneficial to them online in a virtual way. And so my students created videos that could be posted to the Arkansas Peace and Justice Memorial Movement website through a partnership we'd established through AJPMM and Just Communities of Arkansas. In these videos, students present research that they'd completed on everything from the Elaine massacres to the Truth and Reconciliation Commissions in South Africa to the ways in which understanding a history of institutionalized racism and racist violence is something that we still have to grapple with. It's something that we have to understand how those ideas are produced, which presents a philosophical issue of epistemology. It's something that means that students have an obligation to consider what their duties are to others, or the philosophical endeavor of ethics. And it's something that engaged the students in thinking about how to apply their knowledge in a way that meant that philosophy was for a living world and not just a way of recording the ideals of a bunch of old dead white guys. So in that spirit, in that vein, you'll see many different ideas presented here by my students, either in video form or in blog form, depending on what they were most comfortable with and what they were best able to present their research in. They intended these videos and blogs to be something that engaged a wide audience and made a connection between what they'd researched and also what they wanted to do in the state of Arkansas, how they felt connected to peace and justice, and a response to the legacy of lynchings in our state. So thanks so much to APJMM for agreeing to continue this relationship of service learning, even in the midst of a very unusual semester. And thank you so much to my thoughtful, engaged, and rigorous students for producing work that really shows that philosophy can help us to understand our world and challenge us to think about how to make it better.